As part of National Consumer Protection Week, we had the opportunity to join with a partnership with the Certified Planner Board, and they have been at the Government Center to provide information on financial planning today for tomorrow.
Planning Today for Tomorrow is a presentation to help consumers understand the benefits of financial planning and working with a certified financial planner.
We all work very hard to get our money, but sometimes we don't know how to make sure our money is working hard for us. So sometimes it's a good idea to sit down with a financial planner, somebody who can help you identify your goals and identify strategies to help make sure that you can achieve these goals and get the quality of life that you want and deserve.
These economic times pose tremendous challenges for our clients. Clients cannot control the stock market, interest rates, or the value of their home. My advice is it's never too early to plan, it's never too late to plan, and everybody needs a plan. A plan helps give you confidence because you have a sense of being in control.
It's a very informative workshop. Individuals had a chance to not only hear from Rita Cheng about individual things about financial planning, but they also had an opportunity to meet one-on-one with a certified financial planner.